In this video, we show you the United Kingdom in just 5 days. We'll look at what to do when you're short on time and, of course, enjoy the beauty of the UK. From the historic streets of London to the vibrant atmosphere of Edinburgh, we'll discover the gems that make Britain so fascinating. Get ready for an amazing British adventure. Let's go! Day 1. Let's start in the heart of London, where the iconic Big Ben stands amidst the hustle and bustle, a symbol of the inexorable march of time. Its chimes echo through the Palace of Westminster, a magnificent testament to British history. Did you know that Big Ben is not the clock, but the bell inside, which weighs a massive 13.5 tons? And next door, the Palace of Westminster, rebuilt in 1840, is a grand symbol of political history, where the House of Commons and the House of Lords take the nation's most important decisions. Our next stop is the British Museum in London, a treasure trove of history with tales of the past whispering in every corner. Did you know that it houses the Rosetta Stone, the key to deciphering ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs? And did you know it's been there since 1753, a testament to centuries of human curiosity and knowledge? Next is London's Buckingham Palace, a majestic testament to history and a symbol of the British monarchy. Built in 1703, it has witnessed countless royal events. Its grandeur and elegance will leave you in awe, reflecting centuries of tradition and splendor. Finally, I look up at the London Eye and am struck by its majestic presence on the Thames. A symbol of modern London, yet steeped in history, it opened in 2000 to mark the new millennium. It stands on the site where the Great Fire of 1666 changed the city's destiny. A ride on it offers breathtaking panoramic views and links past and present. Day 2. Edinburgh, a city of poetic landscapes, is home to the majestic Edinburgh Castle. Built on ancient volcanic rock, it's a testament to Scotland's resilient spirit. The castle witnessed the Declaration of Arbroath in 1314, a key moment in Scottish independence, and the birth of James VI in 1566, which united the crowns of Scotland and England. Next, in the heart of Edinburgh, on the iconic Royal Mile. This historic street connects the majestic Edinburgh Castle, perched high above, with the enchanting Holyrood Palace. Feel the pulse of Scotland's past as you walk the same cobbled street where the dramatic life of Mary, Queen of Scots, unfolded in 1566. Immerse yourself in centuries of history, mystery, and the vibrant Scottish spirit. Our third stop is the Salisbury Crags, a natural wonder that's simply breathtaking. Towering above the city, these cliffs offer a panoramic view that's out of this world. It's a place steeped in geological history, dating back millions of years. Walking along these ancient rocks, you feel a deep connection with the earth. Ahoy from the Royal Yacht Britannia. This magnificent vessel is not just a yacht, it's a floating piece of history. For over 40 years, she was the royal residence for sea voyages. Walking her decks, you can feel the elegance and grandeur with which she entertained world leaders and royalty. Day 3. Welcome to Manchester and to the heart of innovation at Manchester's Museum of Science and Industry. The place where the world's first passenger railway opened in 1830 is a testament to human creativity. Imagine the Industrial Revolution was ignited in this very city. It's incredible to stand where history was made, surrounded by pioneering inventions. Every corner here tells a story of progress and resilience. Manchester, a city that changed the world. Next up is Manchester's Whitworth Art Gallery, a true artistic gem. Did you know that it houses one of the largest textile collections in the UK? And it's not just about fabric. The gallery also showcases a stunning array of modern art. Every visit here feels like a journey through creativity and innovation. It's a place where art meets history and a must-see for anyone exploring Manchester. Truly inspiring. Stepping into the Manchester Museum is like stepping into history itself. Did you know that this iconic museum houses over 4.5 million objects, making it one of the largest collections in the UK? And it's not just about quantity. The quality is amazing. Imagine, the museum has a rare fragment of the 2,000-year-old Egyptian Book of the Dead. Finally, we visit the electrifying Etihad Stadium in Manchester, home of Manchester City Football Club. This stadium isn't just about football, it's a symbol of Manchester's spirit and passion. Did you know that it was originally built for the 2002 Commonwealth Games? Now it echoes with the cheers of football fans. To be here, to feel the energy of thousands of supporters, is an experience like no other. Day 4, Liverpool. Start at the Beatles story in Liverpool, the birthplace of the legendary band. This magical place will take you back to the 1960s when the Beatles' journey began. It's incredible to stand amidst the largest collection of Beatles memorabilia in the world. Imagine touching the piano where John Lennon composed Imagine, or seeing the guitars they strummed to songs that revolutionized music. And did you know that this is the only Beatles museum authorized by the Fab Four themselves? Next is Liverpool Cathedral, a majestic beacon in the heart of Liverpool. Built over 74 years, it's not only Britain's largest cathedral, but the 5th largest in the world. Its stunning architecture, a testament to Gothic grandeur, was largely the vision of Sir Giles Gilbert Scott, who began designing it at the age of 22. Steeped in history, its tower offers breathtaking views of the city and encapsulates the soul of Liverpool. Our third stop is Liverpool's iconic Albert Dock, where I'm surrounded by history. This is where the world's first non-combustible storage system was built, revolutionizing world trade in the 19th century. Imagine right where I am, the management of the RMS Titanic was operating. The final stop is Liverpool's iconic Royal Liver Building, a masterpiece of early 20th century architecture. Standing majestically since 1911, it was one of the world's first skyscrapers and a symbol of the city's global importance. Its crowning glory, the mythical liver birds, stand guard over Liverpool, and it is said that their flight will mark the city's downfall. Day 5, Cardiff. Here we are at Cardiff Castle, an architectural marvel in the heart of Cardiff. This castle isn't just a building, it's a chronicle of history. Firstly, it's built on Roman ruins, a testament to Cardiff's ancient origins. And secondly, the Victorian Gothic Revival renovations carried out in the 19th century are breathtaking, showing the castle's transformation over time. It's not just a visit, it's a journey through the centuries. Next, in the heart of Cardiff is the National Museum Cardiff, a beacon of Welsh history and culture. Home to the world's largest collection of Welsh Impressionist art, it's a visual journey through the nation's artistic development. In particular, it's home to the collection of the Davia sisters, who played a pivotal role in shaping modern Welsh art. Just a few steps away, immerse yourself in Wales' geological past with the UK's best display of Jurassic dinosaurs. Next stop is Cardiff Bay. The air is tinged with the echoes of history. This iconic harbor, once the world's largest coal exporting port, transformed Cardiff into a buzzing commercial hub in the 19th century. The bay's revival in the late 20th century, including the stunning Wales Millennium Centre, marks a rebirth from industrial decline to a vibrant cultural heart. Finally, Cardiff's Castell Coch, a marvel of 19th century Gothic Revival architecture. Set in lush woodland, it's a testament to the vision of architect William Burgess. Restored for the 3rd Marquis of Bute, this enchanting castle stands on ancient foundations dating back to the Norman era. This was our 5-day itinerary around the majestic United Kingdom. Guys, if this video gets 100 likes, I will post a second version of the itinerary. I just want to know how interested you are in this sort of thing. Thanks for watching.